Athlete number 1108, Sanchez Farah Jane, Region 11. Athlete number 936, Nysa Beverly, Region 5. Athlete number 912, Pahit Gabriel Jazz, Region 4B. Athlete number 1147, Ontogay Lovely Joy, Region 13. Athlete number 992, Bakaron Bayan, Region 7. Athlete number 965, Moreno Brianna, Region 6. Athlete number 881, Kapuka Ashley Nicole, Region 4A. And athlete number 991, Arbil Alteame, Region 7. Once again, the finalists in 100-meter hurdles, elementary girls, athletes, good luck.
Landres.
Set.
Garcia.
Black Camo Fire.
Villagracia.